Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 6. These are daily exercises to challenge your Pandas skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. So as usual, we're going to read in the data set as the first thing that we do. So it's the employee data set. So the challenge says, return the median salary for employees hired from January 1st, 2010 onwards. So that's not too difficult. We just have to filter over here for those that greater than or equal to January 1st, 2010 and the hire date, and then take the median salary after we've done that filter. So let's begin our code here. So we'll create a variable called filt. So this will be a Boolean series. So we'll say the hire date must be greater than or equal to 2010 1 1. So anything greater than that will work. Then we can just go ahead and create a return statement. So we'll use the loc indexer to pass in the filter. So this will filter the rows. Loc filters by label, which means we can simultaneously filter the rows and select the column we want. So we'll say we'll get the salary column like this. So this will do the filtering, and then we'll just get the salary column like that, and then we will return the median. So we're going to return a single value here. So again, here is the filter. This is a Boolean series. We pass it to the loc indexer, which allows us to do simultaneous row and column selection. And then we'll just take the median of that selection, which is just the salary for those individuals who have that particular hire date. So let's execute that. We'll do this so we can view the solution. So here's our solution here. We've passed it in the employee data set. We've gotten this number as the median for those employees. And we'll check the solution over here. So it looks the same. And then this is just one last thing to verify. All right, so that does it for Pandas Challenge number 6. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.